Good morning, children. So, welcome to your social science session. And today here we are going to start with our very new and fresh chapter, that is chapter number 7, the early man. Now, what do we mean by early man? Children, do you know how did the first person on the earth evolve? How the first person came on the earth? How did he manage to pick the clothes for himself or to find food for himself? Where did he used to live? Did he get the houses that we live in? What did he wear? And how did the first man came into existence? So, in this chapter, we are going to study how did the early man come in existence and how did he manage to get his food, his clothes and all the things he required to live. Okay, so for studying the chapter and for studying the life of our early man, means a very old man who used to live, we will study the chapter itself. Okay, so the chapter is the early man, that is chapter number 7. Children, this will be available in the Discovering Social Science book on page number 85. Now, about 3 million years ago, how many time? 3 million years ago, means a very long time back then, when the earth was covered with forest and fierce wild animals. So, entire earth was covered with wild animals and forest. What is the meaning of fierce? Means dangerous wild animals. The first human took shape. The first human came into existence 3 million years ago. Luckily, by luck for them, the last one of the dinosaurs had gone from the earth much earlier, because dinosaurs were very big and fiercely wild animals. They were very dangerous. They used to eat the other animals or the big animals which came in their sight. So dinosaurs had gone by that time when the first human came into existence. The early humans looked more or less like apes. What are apes, children? Apes are animals who look very similar to chimpanzees or gorillas. So from where did human come from? They looked similar to apes. Gradually means slowly, step by step, they learned to walk straight. Gorillas, they did not walk straight. They bent their back. Look at the back. They bent their back and then they walked. And somehow humans learned to walk straight. Gradual process. Gradual means slow and step by step. Step by step process or the slow process by which human organisms have developed since the beginning is called evolution. What is the growth of the living man known as? It is known as evolution. Now let's read about the life of the early man. So how did the early man eat or manage his food? The early man or the primitive man. What is the meaning of word primitive? Means the old man, the first person came into existence. They did not know how to grow food. They did not know how, from where will they get the food, how will they grow the food. So they dug out the roots of the plants from the ground and ate them. So they were not able to eat the plants. So what did they do? They dug out the plant from the soil and they ate the root of the plant. They gathered fruits from the forest. Whichever fruits they saw on the trees, they gathered. Sometimes early man hunted animals such as deer and antelope and ate their flesh. So sometimes they used to eat fruits, sometimes they eat the root of the plant, and even sometimes they hunted animals such as deer and antelope. Antelope is also a form of or animal like deer. Okay, so this was about the food of the early man. What did they eat, children? They eat the roots of the plant, they eat the fruits from the trees, as well as they ate the flesh of animals like the deer and antelope. Now, where did they live or how did they manage their shelter? The early man did not live in the houses like us. Early man did not have houses like us. They lived in the forest and took shelter under the trees and in caves. So where did the early man live? They used to live in the forest, either under trees or in the caves. These caves protected them from wild animals because wild animals did not come in the cave. What is the cave, children? Cave is a big hole that is made in some mountain. Okay, so like the animal like lion, they live in den. So early man used to build a cave under mountains so that they could protect themselves from wild animals as well as from different weather conditions. Like when they felt cold, they used to go in the caves. When it was rainy season, they used to stay under the caves to protect themselves from the rain. So different weather conditions made them to look after themselves and they made cave for themselves so that they could live in that. Now, on page number 86, what were the tools that were made by early man and why? What was the need of different tools that the early man made and why did he make them? It was very difficult for the early man to use his hand to dig the ground or to kill the animals. Because if he killed animals, how will he kill? He cannot do it by his hands or he cannot dig the ground by his fingers or little fingers or hands. So he started using some stones for digging and hunting like these. When the early humans found sharp stones, they chipped them and shaped them into tools to hunt animals, cut wood, etc. So when they found a rock or a stone that was of sharp surface, they took that stone, they chipped them. Chip means cutting it into shape, a very thin and a sharp shape, so that it would be easy for them to hunt the animals or kill the animals or cut the flesh of animals they have hunted, as well as cut the woods so that they could reach the ground and the root of the tree. These stones brought a big change in the life of early man. These tools were mainly used for cutting the meat and the bones, then peeling off animal skin or hide. What is animal skin known as, children? Hide. It is known as hides. So, hides are the flesh or the skin of animal that is used for making leather clothes, leather shoes. So, that is converted into leather. That is known as a hide. And bark of the tree. So, it was also used for peeling them off. Then making spears. Spear, what is a spear, children? It is a big hammer which has thorns in it, and also arrows were made for hunting purpose. Then lastly, digging the ground to take out the roots so that they could eat them. The toolkit of early man included the implements like knife, scrapers that is used for scrape off or peel off the wood of the trees, spears, the hammer with thorns, blade, for cutting the flesh of animals, and hand axes for digging out the ground, and many more tools. Now fill in the blanks. Early man is also called the primitive man. Early man lived in caves. The early man used tools to dig the ground or to kill the animals. Okay. So children, in this video we are going to study till here only. Now the remaining part we will cover in the next video. So this is all for you. Bye bye, and we shall meet in the next video.